Hi students, welcome to today's section. In today's video, I am going to discuss about tautomerism. So tautomerism is a kind of structural isomerism in which two different structures of same molecular formula formed due to migration of monovalent atom hydrogen between polyvalent atom. So, tautomerism is a structural isomerism in which two different structures of same molecular formula is formed due to the migration of monovalent atom. Example for monovalent atom is hydrogen between polyvalent atom. That is, when we take CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Look here. Here the migration of this monovalent atom from this polyvalent atom. That is, monovalent atom hydrogen migrate from this polyvalent atom to this polyvalent atom oxygen. Now then the bond shift to here and forms the compound CH2 double bond COH CH3. Look. Here the hydrogen, that is the monovalent atom, from this polyvalent atom migrates to this polyvalent atom and form this compound which is of the same molecular formula. So this is known as tautomerism. Tautomerism is a structural isomerism and it is also known by the name desmotropism. Desmotropism. So look students, this compound has a carbonyl group and this is a keto form. This is a keto form. Keto form, and this group has a double bond and an OH group, so it is known as an enol form. This keto form is changing to this enol form, or whether this enol form can be changed to this keto form. So it is in dynamic equilibrium. This keto form to enol form. So this is also known as keto enol isomerism. Keto enol isomerism. This is in dynamic equilibrium, so that this keto form can either change to enol form or the enol form can either change to keto form. Due to this keto form and enol form, this is also known as keto enol isomerism, and other name of tautomerism is desmotropism. Look, this tautomerism is taking place in compounds having a carbonyl group with alpha hydrogen. So what is alpha hydrogen? Look, this is the carbonyl group. This C double bond O is the carbonyl group, so this is a carbonyl compound. This compound has a carbonyl group, so this is a carbonyl compound, and the carbonyl group attached to carbon, that is this carbon. The carbon which is attached to the carbonyl group is called the alpha carbon. This is the alpha carbon, and the hydrogen which is attached to this alpha carbon is known as the alpha hydrogen. So if a compound should show a tautomerism, it must have a carbonyl group with the alpha hydrogen, then only it should show tautomerism. So now let's do some problems. So we are going to solve these 4 problems. So first we have to check whether it is a carbonyl compound. Look, there is C double bond O. This is double bond. This is a double bond. C double bond O. So this is a carbonyl compound. And the next step is we have to check whether it has an alpha hydrogen. Look here. Look, this is the alpha carbon and it has 2 hydrogens here. So it will show tautomerism. Why it shows tautomerism? It is a carbonyl compound with the alpha hydrogen. Now the next question is CH3 C double bond O CH3. We have already done it. It is a carbonyl compound and it has a alpha carbon with the alpha hydrogen. So it also shows tautomerism. Now the next question, this is a carbonyl compound. Here this is the carbonyl group. The carbon attached to the carbonyl group is this carbon, so this is the alpha carbon, but in this carbon there is no hydrogen attached to the carbon, so there has no alpha hydrogen, no alpha hydrogen. Look, in this question there is alpha carbon but there is no alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is must for a compound to show a tautomerism, so it has no alpha hydrogen, so it will not show tautomerism. Now the last question, here it has carbonyl group and it is a carbonyl compound. Look, this is the alpha carbon and it has a hydrogen, it has alpha hydrogen, so it will show tautomerism. So we have done four questions and we have studied what is tautomerism. So tautomerism is a structural isomerism. It's also known by the name desmotropism and ketoenol isomerism. So I hope you all liked my video. Thank you for watching.